outside for long, but we're gonna take like a quick walk. We just got back inside because it started raining. She is wet. She's dry now. But my phone. So what Miss Chloe is doing right now, she is taking a nap. And since it's raining, it's good because she can fall asleep way better when it's raining. You guys can't really hear the rain because we're in the basement, and you can't really hear like anything in the. Sweet Chloe. Alright guys, looks like Chloe just woke up from her nap, so I'm gonna go give her her second bottle of tea. So now it's lunchtime. Hi.
Good job. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job.